Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create super cute and simple hoodie hack and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we're going to wear this hoodie. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this corset as well, and I'm going to color it with this pink for all selection except the ribbon. For the ribbon, you can color it with this pink. Okay, and then I'm going to wear the sleeves and color it with the same pink as the hoodie. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the top area and wear this lace top. I'm going to color it all pink, the same pink as the hoodie. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this top, color it pink as well, and also this butterfly top and color it pink. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.